system. Our body is made up of many parts called organs. Different organs perform different functions. Our heart pumps blood to the body. Our lungs take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Our ears help us to hear. Our stomach helps us to digest the food we eat. Similarly, other organs also perform various other functions. No single organ can work alone. All the organs in our body together perform some important functions. A group of organs working together makes up a body system, our circulatory system. Circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels together make up the circulatory system. This system maintains a constant flow of blood inside the body. The heart receives impure blood from the different parts of the body and pumps out oxygenated blood through the blood vessels. When the thick, heavy muscles of the heart contract, the blood is squeezed out, and when they relax, the blood goes into the heart. The heart is muscular organ made up of cardiac muscles, which is dark red in color. It pumps blood to every part of the body. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are auricles or atria. The lower 2 chambers are ventricles. The right auricle opens into the right ventricle and the left auricle into the left ventricle. The walls of the auricles are thinner than those of ventricles. This is so because the auricles have to pump blood into the ventricles, which is nearby, but the ventricle have to pump blood to different parts of the body. Valves present between auricle and ventricles, as well as in the veins, prevent backflow of blood. The deoxygenated blood comes to the heart through the veins. It reaches the right auricle. From here, the blood is pumped into right ventricle. It is the pulmonary artery which carries the blood to the lungs for getting oxygenated. The process of outdiffusion of carbon dioxide and indiffusion of oxygen takes place in the lungs. Now, the oxygen-rich blood reaches the heart through the pulmonary vein. Oxygenated blood enters the left auricle. It is then pumped into left ventricle. The left ventricle which pumps the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Blood. Blood is a fluid tissue. It has red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets floating in a liquid which is called plasma. Plasma is a yellowish fluid and contains about 90% water. Plasma is a solution of minerals, waste products, digested food, enzymes, gases, blood proteins, and other substances. Blood cells or corpuscles are the living part of the blood. There are 3 kinds of blood corpuscles. 1. Red blood cells, RBCs, appear to be like discs. The red color of the blood is due to hemoglobin. It is a protein present in RBCs. 2. White blood cells, WBCs, are the defenders of the body. They defend the body against any kind of infections. There are different types of WBCs having different shapes and lifespan. 3. Platelets. Platelets are made in bone marrow just like RBCs. They are much smaller in size and have a lifespan of about 10 days. The main function of platelets is to help in the clotting of blood when we are injured. If blood does not clot, we would bleed to death. Blood vessels. Arteries, veins, and capillaries are the 3 types of blood vessels. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to other parts of the body. Veins carry blood from various parts of the body to the heart. Capillaries are the smallest of the blood vessels. They link the arteries and veins. Arteries mostly carry oxygenated blood, while veins mostly carry deoxygenated blood. Know this. Heart size depends on the size of the person as well as the condition of their heart. Heart is about the size of the person's fist.
Fun fact: red blood cells make up almost half of your blood. Meet Alex, a 40-year-old who loves playing video games all day long and rarely goes outside to play or exercise. He often eats fast food and sugary snacks and drinks lots of sugary sodas. Alex doesn't get much sleep and is always tired.